Beauty of the World iBox.
It's a monthly subscription box that we're happy to bring to you with a slightly new twist that you may not have heard of before.
So we're going to take you around the world in beauty. You will literally benefit from our summer vacation in Europe.
Yes, we're going to take you this summer to Paris, we're going to take you to Italy, we're going to take you all across the globe. And our goal each month is to give you a little bit of something from health, beauty, wellness, and of course your favorite when you're traveling, local artisans.
Absolutely. We want you to have what every woman in Italy can walk into their local apothecary and find. Everything's going to be artisan, local, handcrafted.
Vegan, cruelty-free of course, and each thing is going to come to you every month, beautifully curated in our beautiful boxes, as well as it's going to have a description of each item in there and how it was inspired so that we can bring a little bit of the global world to you each and every month at home.
Can I open it now?
Okay, open it, open it!